How to change Instagram notification sound. Open Instagram and tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. On the setting privacy page or the activity page, you need to select notifications option. Here you need to select from Instagram option. Once you are here, scroll down and you need to tap on additional options in system settings. And here, scroll down and open the Instagram direct option. You can easily select the ringtone option here. As it is being set to default, you can either add the custom ringtone or you can also select anyone from this alert tones. So after you choose any ringtone, here you can easily change the Instagram notification sound. So that's how we change the Instagram notification sounds. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.